How to turn on or turn off Don't Keep activities in developer options on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Edge or the Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. From here, scroll down and then tap on Don't Keep Activities. This will destroy every activity as soon as the user leaves it. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on, or tap on it to switch it off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.